35 ये डायरेक्शन उठाने के बाद एक अच्छा वातावरण मुंबई जिला बैंक के बारे में सहकारिता में बैंकिंग सेक्टर में निश्चित तौर पे हुआ है। और 35 ये डायरेक्शंस अनेक जो उनके निर्बंध थे, वो बैंक के जो CD रेशो रहता है, NPA रहता है, और जो बैंक की पैरामीटर्स है उसके ऊपर रहते। और मुझे लगता है कि गए 10-12 साल में मेरा संचालक बोर्ड, हमारी मैनेजमेंट साथ में मिलके वो सब चीज़ें दुरुस्त की और आज बैंक 35A से मुक्त हुआ है। अगर बैंक की प्रगति पे आप नज़र डालोगे तो आज हमारा CD रेशो लगभग 50 नहीं 53% पे गया है। और जो रेशो हमारा 30-32% 1-2 साल पहले था, तो हम लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छा कर्जा कैसा जाएगा और वो लोन के माध्यम से अच्छे कर्जदार ढूंढ के मुंबई जिला मध्यवर्ती बैंक के CD रेशियो बढ़ाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। उसमें हम यशस्वी हो रहे हैं। मुंबई की जो संस्थाएं कोऑपरेटिव है उनको हम लोग फाइनेंस करते हैं। लेबर सोसाइटी रहेगी तो काम की वर्क ऑर्डर के अगेंस्ट हम फाइनेंस करते हैं। कंज्यूमर सोसाइटी को हम मटेरियल के लिए फाइनेंस करते हैं। क्रेडिट सोसाइटी को हम रिफाइनेंस करते हैं। अर्बन बैंकों को रिफाइनेंस करते हैं। और इसी तरह हम लोग मुंबई के जो सभासद संस्थाएं हैं उनको मुंबई जिला बैंक फाइनेंस करते हैं। आपने एक अच्छा सवाल किया कि क्रॉप लोन के बारे में मुंबई बैंक क्या। अभी मुंबई जिला मध्यवर्ती बैंक के कॉरपोरेट बैंक है, मतलब शहरी बैंक है। यहाँ शेती व्यवसाय ज़्यादा नहीं। जो मुंबई बैंक रजिस्टर्ड हुई वो मत्स्य शेती या फिशरीज़ के ऊपर यह जिला मध्यवर्ती बैंक रजिस्टर्ड हुई है। हम लोग अभी मत्स्य के लिए हम लोग गोडाउन बनाने के लिए, कोल्ड स्टोरेज बनाने के लिए मत्स्य के जो सोसाइटीज़ है उनको हम तो फंडिंग करते ही है, वो तो हमारी प्रायोरिटी है। लेकिन जो क्रॉप है उनके लिए हम लोग भी चाहते हैं, हम नाबार्ड को भी रिप्रेजेंट किया है कि हमारे पास फंड है और जो वीक जिला बैंक है वहाँ अगर क्रॉप लोन के लिए पैसा देना है तो जिला बैंक को अलाउड करो, हम देने को तैयार है।
Basically, Mumbai District Bank is functioning for the past 46 years, and if you see the trend for the past 46 years, the deposit growth is sizable. It's around about 5,800 crores. Advances are the tune of 2,664 crores. The CD ratio, which was earlier for the past if you see that 4 to 5 years, it was hardly 30%. Right now, it is 53%. CD ratio is there. Bank is in total CBS solution, and we are in the platform of digitalization platforms. We are having our own ATMs, RuPay debit card, which are we using in POS, SMS banking, email statements we provide for the customer. When NABARD views for DCBs, only on the 3 to 4 factors. Basically, one factor is the CRAR. So the bank CRAR right now is 10.75%. The net worth of the bank is to the tune of 180 crores. Statutory audit, we are having a A class, as well as we are maintaining a CRR and SLR portfolio, and there is no deficit. Total the business mix of this bank is to the tune of 7,000 crores, and is a profit making bank, and which has been distributing a dividends to all its shareholders. In the banking environment, if you see the changes which are right now, it is a digitalization, is a new era which have been started because of the Modi government. So we are in the CBS platform. Right now, we are moving in the mobile banking. Also, we are trying for in net banking itself. We are planning that we should have an equivalent platform for all these societies, basically housing societies which are required for make the payments or statutory payments, maybe electricity bill or maintenance or water current bills, etc. So we are planning that each one of these societies should come within a same zone or same platform, so we can help them out. Also, we are planning for the cooperative credit society, because these are the societies which we go for the on-lending process, and they ultimately give the finance to their borrowers or to the members itself. A equivalent platform should be devised which can help them out to maintain their liquidity as well as the end use of the borrowers. So accordingly, we are trying to planning in future. Basically, for the housing societies, what we are doing, we are doing for the self-development process where land and building has been taken as a mortgage, and we are financing them for the additional TDR or as a FSI. So right now we have the limit of 50 crores, but project to project it may vary. For urban cooperative credit societies, we are financing them in the 3 portfolio, in the short term and medium term loans, also as in the cash credit loans. I will like to share with you that we are having one society, a Kulswamini Cooperative Credit Society, which are having a deposit to the tune of 500 CR, and the business is around about 700 crores, and we have financed them to 100 crores. We have financed them against their borrowers who have pledged their properties with them. So it's a secured finance, even though it is on lending, but a secured finance is there, and the recovery is been directly linked with the societies and the bank. So this is the way what we do the finance.
Total treasury side of our bank is 3,250 crores rupees, comprising of the GSEC, SDL, non-SLR securities and FDs. We have the only DCC bank in Maharashtra. We have our own SGL account, and we are trading directly on CCIL platform for the securities of GSEC and SDL. We have the investment committee, and we have the investment policy. Accordingly, we have the investment committee of all prime executives, including the CEO of our bank, and we are always take the assessment of the situation, what we have and what is the market, and what is the impact of the market conditions on our securities, and we will take the required measures to curtail the risk.